And welcome back to Life of Loz. Obviously, I'm Loz. We are at World Ducati Day. Check it out. Absolute weapons. It is a nice sort of rainy day here in Perth, Western Australia, but the turnout is absolutely fantastic. Couldn't ask for an absolute better turnout. This is pretty much, I'd say, probably maybe 50 or 60% of the Ducatis here in Perth, and it is absolutely awesome. So glad I jumped over to the Ducati family. She's beautiful. Alright, that's all I've got time for you today on Life of Loz. Obviously I'm Loz. I'll see you on the next one. Boom.